have a reservation?
Yes, a table for two. My name's Ali Gray.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Come this way, please. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the onion soup and then the steak, please.
The goat's cheese salad and the lasagna for me, please.
What would you like to drink?
Would you like some wine?
No thanks, just mineral water for me.
Okay, a glass of red wine and a bottle of mineral water, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. How was the pasta?
It was delicious.
Listen, Ali, there's something I want to ask you.
Yes? What?
Would you like a dessert?
Yes, please. What is there?
Tiramisu, ice cream or fruit salad?
Fruit salad, please.
And you, sir?
Nothing for me, thanks. Ali,
Yes? Go on, Mark.
well, tomorrow's my last day. And I think I really like meeting you, and...
Here you are. Fruit salad. Would you like any coffee?
Yes, an espresso, please.
The same for me, please.
Sorry, Mark.
Do you want to come to California next month? There's a big conference. I'm going to be there. Why don't you come? What do you think?
2 espressos. Anything else? A little brandy, a grappa?
No. Thank you. What do you say, Ali?
I'm not sure, Mark. I need some time to think about it, okay?
All right. But please tell me before I go.
Okay.
Could we have the check, please?
Sorry, the check?
The bill, Mark. We're in Britain, remember?
Sorry. Could we have the bill, please?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can I have my bill, please? I'm checking out.
Which room is it?
Room 425.
Did you have anything from the minibar last night?
Yes, a mineral water.
Here you are. How would you like to pay?
American Express.
Thank you. Okay. Can you sign here, please? Thank you. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
No, thanks.
Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Have a good trip, Mr. Ryder.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello?
Hi, Mark, it's Ali. I'm really sorry, but the traffic this morning is terrible. I'm going to be very late.
Okay.
I think the best thing is for you to take a taxi to the station and then get the train to the airport.
No problem. I'll call a taxi. Well, thanks for everything.
No, listen. I'll meet you at the airport. We can say goodbye there.
All right. Where can we meet?
At the information desk?
Okay. See you there.
Bye.
Excuse me. Change of plan. Could you call me a taxi, please? To the station.
Hello. Sorry I can't take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi, Ali, this is Mark. Where are you? I'm at the information desk. My flight leaves in 40 minutes.
Mark. Sorry I'm late.
Don't worry, I'm just happy you got here.
Come on. You're going to miss your flight.
Wait a minute. Are you going to come to the conference in California? Am I going to see you again?
The plane's going to leave without you.
Ali.
I asked my boss this morning and he said, yes, I can go.
Great! I don't have your home phone number.
Don't worry, I'll email it to you tomorrow.
This is the final call for all passengers on flight BA287 to San Francisco. Please proceed immediately to gate 12.
Goodbye, Ali. And thanks for everything.
Goodbye, Mark. Have a safe trip.
See you in California.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Where are you arriving from?
From London.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Business. I'm here for a conference.
How long are you staying in the U.S.?
A week.
Where are you staying?
In San Francisco at the Pacific View Hotel.
Do you know anybody here?
Yes, Mark Ryder.
Is he family or a friend?
He's a colleague and a friend.
Do you have his phone number?
Yes, his mobile is 405-655-7182.
Is this your first visit to the U.S.?
Yes, it is.
Enjoy your stay in San Francisco.
Thank you.
Allie, hi.
Hi, Mark.
You look great.
You too. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the flight?
Long. 11 hours.
Ah, you must be really tired.
Yes, I couldn't sleep at all. The people next to me had a baby with them. What's the time here? I need to change my watch.
It's 7 in the evening.
It's 3 in the morning for me.
Okay, I'm gonna take you right to the hotel, and you can rest.
Fine. Oh. Sorry.
You are gonna love San Francisco. I'm so pleased you came.
Me too. It's great to see you again.
Come on, my car's in the parking lot. Let's go.
Good evening, ma'am. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation. My name's Alison Gray. I'm here for the MTC conference.
Just a moment. Ah, here it is, Ms. Gray. For 6 nights?
That's right.
Okay, Ms. Gray. Here's your key. You're in room 419 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. What time's breakfast?
From 7 to 9 in the Pavilion restaurant on the 6th floor.
Thanks. Where's the lift?
The elevators are over there.
Thanks.
Do you need any help with your bags?
Yes, please.
Hello, reception.
Hello, this is room 419.
How can I help you?
I have a problem with the air conditioning. It isn't working, and it's very hot in my room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll send someone up to look at it right now.
Thank you.
Room service, can I help you?
Hello, this is room 419. Can I have a tuna sandwich, please?
Whole wheat or white bread?
Whole wheat, please.
With or without mayo?
Without.
With French fries or salad?
Salad, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a Diet Coke.
With ice and lemon?
Just ice.
He'll be there in 5 minutes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here you go, Allie. A cappuccino. See, I remembered.
Well done. Thanks.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. How are things?
They're fine.
What are the plans for the week?
Well, today we don't have any free time, but tomorrow I'm going to take you to this great little restaurant I know.
That sounds good.
And then on Wednesday night, there's a cocktail party here at the hotel, and then a conference dinner on Thursday. Is there anything special you want to do?
Well, I'd like to see the bay and the Golden Gate Bridge, and I'd like to go shopping if there's time.
Hi, Mark. How are you doing?
Hi, Brad. I'm fine. Just fine.
Aren't you going to introduce me?
Oh, sure. Allie, this is Brad Martin. Brad works in the Los Angeles office. Brad, this is Allie Gray from the London office.
Hello.
Hi, Allie. Great to meet you. Mark told me you were very nice, but he didn't tell me you were so beautiful. So, is this your first time in San Francisco?
Yes, yes it is.
Has Mark shown you the sights?
Well, not yet.
Then maybe I can show you around. I love this city.
Allie, it's time to go. Excuse us, Brad.
Well, great to meet you, Allie. See you around.
Yes, nice to meet you too. Goodbye.